and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do X. Are you ready? X, capital X, small x, and it makes kiss, kiss sound. Kiss, eat, exit. Kiss, eat, exit. And that's the exit. We go out of the exit and we come in through the entrance. Entrance, exit. Entrance, exit. Exam, exam. Exam, exam. I'm doing my exam. I hope I get an A in my exam. Index, index. Index, index. This is an index book. And I have all the names starting with A, B, C, D, like that. It's all alphabets. And then I write all the names starting with A on one side. And all the B's, C's, D's. QU says qu, qu, qu. Q always goes with you. Q never goes alone. Qu, in, quin. Quin means 5. Every time when you have a quin, it means 5. Quite, quite. Quite, quite. I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy today because I got a present. Quit, quit. Don't quit. Don't give up. Quit, quit. He's going to quit. Oh no, he should not quit. He's almost got it. Stand in there. Hang on. Quiz, quiz. Quiz, quiz. We're having a quiz show. We're going to ask questions, okay? And then you're going to buzz. You press the buzzer and then you answer. And then one team wins the quiz. I wonder which team will win. Quick, quick. Quick. Now, you have to remember that Q goes with you. There's a rule. Whenever you see a Q, it's always followed by a U. Q and U go together, okay? Quick, quick. Quick. And who's quicker? Is it the hare or the rabbit or the tortoise or the turtle? Who do you think is quicker? Or who is steadier? This one is steady. He always goes slowly and he wins the race. Liquid. Liquid. Now, liquid is like water, juice, even your blood is liquid. Quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat one, skinny one, some like you. But the one little duck with a feather on his back waddled to his mother with a quack, 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 quack. Waddled to his mama with a quack, quack, quack. So cute. The ducks are really waddly. Quest, quest, quest. I'm going on a quest. I want to find out what this new place is about. No one has gone there before, and I am going to be the first one to go there and find it. Queen, queen. E says E. Queen, queen. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Quite, quite, quite. I'm quite happy today. Quiet, quiet. Quiet. Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Hush, hush, hush. Quill, quill. And that's a quill. And I put the quill in the ink. And a quill is a feather, a bird's feather. Olden days, they did not have pens like us. They would use quills and ink. They dip the quill in the ink and write. Dip, write. Dip, write. WH says w. WH says w. When. When are you coming home? What time? Whip. Whip. The man, he uses this whip. See, he holds it over here and he whips the horse to make it go faster. Or he whips the cows or the bullocks to make them go faster. Which? Which one would you like? Would you like an apple or an orange? Which one? Wham. Wham is a sound. It's like whoo, a big sound. Whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. The trees are bending. Whoosh, whoosh. The kites are flying. Whoosh, whoosh. The trees are bending. Wah, 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 wah. The whoosh, whoosh. The wind is blowing. Whoosh, whoosh. The kites are flying. Whoosh, whoosh. The trees are bending. Wah, 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 wah. And that's the wind sound. You can really hear the wind, very powerful winds going whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Wheel, wheel. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Eat wheat. Eat wheat. And that's wheat. It's a grain like rice, wheat, barley, maize. All these are wheat or grain, okay? So you use wheat to make bread or chapatis. Eat wheat. While I was sleeping, you were playing. Same time. While is two actions at the same time. I was reading, you were sleeping. White. White. What is white? Sometimes the clouds are white. Sometimes you have clothes that are white, or the snow is white. Why? Why are you crying? Why are you late? Why did you hurt somebody? Why? A whisper. A whisper. He's whispering a secret. Okay, so we're going to whisper. We're not going to shout it out because it's a secret. Whisk. Whisk. The mixer in the bowl goes The mixer in the bowl goes mixing the food together. Whisking the food together. Weather. Weather. I wonder whether it will rain today. I wonder if I'm going to go out to the park today. Whisker. ER says whisker. There was a man named Michael Finnegan. He grew his whiskers on his chin again. Wind came by and blew his Finnegan. Poor old Michael Finnegan, Bignigan. Okay, that's a funny song. There was a man named Michael Finnegan. He grew his whiskers on his chin again. Wind came by and blew his Finnegan. Poor old Michael Finnegan, Bignigan. Now we're going to read Making Trains from the first sound to the last sound. Are you ready? Exit, exit. Exam, exam. Index, index. Quin, quin. Quilt, quilt. Quit, quit, quit. Quiz, quiz. Quick, quick. Liquid, liquid. Quack, quack. Quest, quest. queen, queen, quick, quite, quite, quiet, quiet, quill, quill, when, whip, whip, witch, witch, wham, wham, whoosh, whoosh, wheel, wheel, wheat, wheat, while, while, white, white, why, whisper, whisper, whisk, whisk, weather, weather, whisker, whisker. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.